Zoho Desk versus ServiceNow, which is the best help desk software. If you're struggling to pick between these two giants of the help desk software world, you're in the right place. Stick around as I break down what each one offers, where they shine, and where they fall short. You'll want to watch till the end for an unexpected recommendation that might surprise you. First up, let's talk about Zoho Desk. It's a popular choice for small to medium-sized businesses. Zoho Desk offers a streamlined, user-friendly interface, which makes it relatively easy for teams to get started. It's packed with features like ticket management, automation, and even multi-channel support, letting you manage customer service across email, social media, and live chat. But here's the catch: while it offers a lot of great functionality, it's not always as intuitive for new users. Plus, some of its more advanced features can be hard to navigate without training. It's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're managing a large team. Next, let's dive into ServiceNow. Known for being robust and highly customizable, ServiceNow is often the choice for large enterprises. It provides a lot of advanced features like incident management, problem management, change management, and even knowledge management, all integrated into one platform. It's built to scale with complex IT infrastructures, so if you're a large organization, you might find ServiceNow's depth really helpful. However, it's not perfect. It's often criticized for being overly complicated and expensive, especially for smaller teams. Not to mention, onboarding and training can take a lot of time and resources. The third thing worth mentioning is the pricing model. Zoho Desk is much more affordable, especially for small to medium businesses. It's transparent with its pricing, and there's a free plan to get started, making it very attractive for those with limited budgets. But with ServiceNow, you're looking at a premium price tag. It's designed for larger teams with more complex needs, which is why it's often seen as overkill for smaller businesses. But you get what you pay for with ServiceNow. It's packed with features, but only if you need them. Next thing, let's look at integrations. Zoho Desk integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products, like Zoho CRM, making it an attractive option if you're already within the Zoho ecosystem. It also has a large marketplace with other third-party app integrations. On the other hand, ServiceNow offers a vast number of integrations, especially for businesses that need to tie in with their IT management systems. But this comes at a cost. Some integrations can be tricky to set up and may require dedicated IT resources. The fourth thing is customer support. Zoho Desk offers 24/7 support by phone, chat, and email. Their team is generally responsive, though some users report longer wait times for more complex issues. ServiceNow, on the other hand, provides highly specialized support, but it's only available with premium plans. So, if you're not on one of those plans, you might find the support lacking for the price you're paying. Now, let's talk about the overall user experience. Zoho Desk is often praised for its simplicity and ease of use. Even with its learning curve, once you get the hang of it, it's a solid option for those who want efficient customer service tools without too much complexity. ServiceNow, however, is a different beast. It's feature-rich but can be overwhelming. If you're running a large-scale operation, you might appreciate its power, but if you're just looking for something simple, ServiceNow can feel like overkill. So, which is the best help desk software? Both Zoho Desk and ServiceNow have their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs. Zoho Desk is great for smaller businesses looking for a simple, cost-effective solution. ServiceNow is ideal for large enterprises with complex IT systems that need a powerful, customizable platform. But here's the twist: after trying all of these myself, I've found a better alternative. If you're after a solution that's just as powerful but easier to use and more affordable, you should check out the first link in the description. It comes with the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, while Zoho Desk and ServiceNow are solid options, there's a better fit out there for you. Don't miss out. Click that link and take advantage of the free trial.